Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is oat flour pancakes. Now these are not your boring bleached white flour pancakes. These are full of fiber, they're gluten-free, and best of all, they're vegan. The star of this show is the gluten-free oat flour. Next is the ripe banana, not crazy about bananas, but great in this dish, plant-based milk, and ground flaxseed as our egg replacer. The spice ingredients are cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and clove. If you want easier, buy yourself some pumpkin pie spice and you're done. The final ingredients are baking powder, vanilla extract, and vegan butter. First thing, make your egg replacer. Place ground flaxseed with water in a bowl, stir, set it aside, and let it thicken for about 10 minutes. Using a large bowl, add in your ripe banana, mash it up with the back of a fork. Now your flaxseed egg, stir that around. Now for your dry ingredients, your oat flour, your spices, and don't forget your vanilla extract. Now slowly start adding in your plant-based milk. Your batter should be not too thick and not too thin. I'm not an expert on this, so do what you can. Let the batter rest for 30 minutes unless you've got somebody breathing down your neck because they're starving. Now heat up a griddle or a large fry pan, add in your vegan butter, and start ladling in your batter. Once it starts to bubble, flip it. These don't look that great, but they tasted great. Take them off and repeat. I like to use fresh or frozen fruit. I heat it up, and here's a quick tip. If some of the pieces are too big, cut them up. Use your kitchen shears. Works every time. Ladle the fruit over the pancakes. If you want to add maple syrup, go ahead. Enjoy these amazing, delicious oat flour pancakes any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, you decide. Go to veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe. Subscribe and share. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and our YouTube channel for more easy to follow recipes. And as I always say, have some fun in the kitchen. Don't make it so serious, and let me know how you made it your own. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.